pesos per box or 15 pesos per capsule. Ang isang box po ay may lamang 60 vegetable capsules with 500 mg per capsule. At ang ating pong Sante Barley Pure New Zealand ay may 40 barley points. Our second product is the Sante Pure Barley New Zealand. One box po ay mayroong lamang 30 sachet of pure 3 grams of barley with a natural sweetener stevia. Ang isang box po, if you're our distributor, is 1,260. Pag hindi naman po kayo distributor, it's 1,820 per box. So lumalabas po, pag kayo ay distributor ng kumpanya, you can just buy the products for only 42 pesos per sachet. Ang isang box po ng ating Sante Pure Barley New Zealand is 100 barley points. Our third product is the Sante Barley Fusion. If you're our distributor, you can buy the product at 165 pesos per box. Roughly 16.50 per sachet. And if you are not our distributor, if you're not a member of Sante International, you can buy the product at 230 pesos per box or 23 pesos per sachet. Ang isang box po ay may lamang 10 sachets, 15 grams per sachet with 10 barley points. Now, dahil po ang ating kumpanya ay medyo nakatipid sa pagbili ng mga raw materials ng ating produkto dahil direct po ang source natin from New Zealand, we've managed to create some product package na alam po naming matutuwa ang ating mga distributors. The first package is the wellness kit. Yung wellness kit po, you can buy 4 boxes of our Sante Barley Pure New Zealand for a price of 3. So lumalabas po ang ating 4 na boxes ay 1,800 lang ang distributor's price. On a per capsule basis, you can just buy the product for only 750 per capsule. Ang ating pong wellness kit is 100 barley points. Our second product package is the Power Pack. Yung Power Pack naman po, you can buy 4 boxes of our Sante Pure Barley New Zealand for a price of 3. Yung ating pong 4 boxes is only 3,780 pesos distributor's price or roughly 31.50 per sachet. Ang ating pong power pack is 300 barley points. And our third product package is the Fusion Pack. Fusion Pack, again, you can buy the product, okay, 4 boxes of Fusion Pack for a price of 3. Yung ating pong Fusion Pack is 495 pesos ang distributor's price. Lumalabas po, nasa 12.40 na lang per sachet ng ating Barley Fusion. Our Fusion Pack is 20 barley points. So right now, meron pong 3 produkto ang Sante International. But our commitment is we will be launching more and more barley products soon. Now let's talk about the third part of our presentation. The third leg of a company. Let's talk about business. Let's have some business talk, ladies and gentlemen. Let me discuss to you how a distributor can earn from the Sante International business opportunity. But to get things started, every member needs to know that before they can become part of Sante International, they have to purchase our Pure Barley Pack. And let me discuss to you the details of this pack. Our Pure Barley Pack contains the following. Number 1, may kasama po itong 3 boxes ng ating Sante Barley Pure New Zealand. May kasama rin po itong 1 box of Sante Pure Barley New Zealand. May kasama po itong distributor's registration card, DVD, and marketing materials. Now, let me present to you the features of this pack. First, you'll be given up to 50% discounts on all the products of Sante International. Number 2, you will be given a business opportunity, a personal business website, SMS business system, airload distributorship, plus a scholarship and affiliates program. Initially, once na bumili po kayo ng ating Pure Barley Pack, you'll be given a 50% gift certificate discount from Informatics Galleria. Meaning po, if you have relatives, friends, or kahit kayo mismo, gusto nyo pong pumasok sa informatics, meron po kayong 50% discount sa tuition fee sa kanilang school. Just in case naman po that we are not in need of the Informatic Galleria gift certificate, pwede nyo pong itago itong gift certificate na to and wait for the new scholarship program or companies or schools na magiging kataya po ng Sante International. At pwede nyo pong ipapalit itong informatics gift certificate sa Sante International at papalitan po natin to ng school of your choice. Next, with the Pure Barley Pack, you'll also be entitled to become part of the Big League Enterprise. Meaning, member na rin po kayo ng lahat ng kumpanya na sineserbisyohan ng Big League. Ang ating Pure Barley Pack is 3,988. But of course, the good news is, pag tinotal po natin yung lamang produkto nito, which is yung 3 boxes ng ating Sante Barley Pure at isang box ng ating Sante Pure Barley, ang total product value po ay 4,650. So with this, once na bumili po kayo ng Pure Barley Pack, you are now a legitimate distributor of Sante International and you'll get all the benefits ng isa pong member ng ating kumpanya. Now, let's talk about the different ways to earn in Sante International. First way to earn is what we call as a retail bonus. As a member of Sante, you'll be given up to 50% discount on subsequent purchases of Sante International products. Meaning, once na member na po kayo ng kumpanya, hindi nyo na po kailangan bilhin ng ating Sante Barley Pure New Zealand ng 15 pesos per capsule. Ito po ay mabibili nyo na lang via our wellness kit ng 750 per capsule. So if you're a distributor who are really interested in the business of direct selling, 100% po ang kikitain nyo sa bawat produktong maibebenta nyo. And this is our first way to earn that we called retail bonus. Our second way to earn is the fast start bonus. Every time that you can directly refer a prospective distributor in Sante International na bibili ng Pure Barley Pack, you will immediately earn 300 pesos. Now, the third way to earn is an exciting one. Tawagin na lang po natin itong infinity bonus. Bakit po infinity bonus? Because in this way to earn, distributors can earn up to the infinite level. Meaning up to the very last distributor that will be invited in the organization. And this is how the infinity bonus works. If one will purchase the Pure Barley Pack, he will be given a business node. At yung business node pong yan has the opportunity to earn huge amount of income in the Sante business opportunity. Kung meron po tayong isang business node, all we need to do is build 2 teams. The left and the right team, meaning invite at least 2 people na magiging interested to be a distributor of the company. You put 1 on the left team and 1 on your right team, meaning silang dalawa po ay magkakaroon din ng business node or business center. But listen to this. Pag nagkaroon po kayo ng isa sa left at isa sa right, meaning dalawang kaibigan na bumili ng Pure Barley Pack, immediately the company will give you a link. And every link will give you an amount, which I'll be discussing to you later on. But to proceed, what if yung dalawang mong kaibigan ay nag-invite ng tigdalawa? And those 2 friends under them also invited 2 each, and so on and so forth. Ang good news with our infinity bonus, whenever there are people on your left who will buy the Pure Barley Pack, and people on your right who will buy the Pure Barley Pack, whether kakilala mo or hindi, the company will give you a link. And every link, the company will give you 500 pesos. Please take note that in our infinity bonus, there's no maximum daily income limit. No flash out. Guaranteed strong leg retention, meaning hindi po mawawala ang pinagpaguran nyo. Number 4, there's no registration limit, meaning as a distributor, I can buy as many Pure Barley Packs as I want. And of course, number 5, this is a guaranteed safe compensation plan, meaning safe po on the part of the company, that there will never be a point wherein the company will overpay. And please take note that the maximum is 64 links per level per side. Let me just present to you a simulation on how the infinity bonus works. For example, Monday, may pumasok na 5 on your left who purchased the Pure Barley Pack. 10 on your right, so meaning, ang total links mo that day is 5 links. Times 500 pesos, that's 2,500. Not bad for a one-day income. Next day, may pumasok na 15 sa left at may pumasok na 5 sa right. Obviously, may sumobrang 5 sa'yo sa right side on Monday na makikarry over yan sa Tuesday. So, meaning on Tuesday, you have 10 links. Times 500, that's 5,000 pesos. On Wednesday, you have 10 on the left and 15 on the right. Again, yung sumobrang 5 sa left on Tuesday will be carried over on Wednesday. So, meaning you have 15 links on Wednesday. Times 500, that's 7,500. What if someday on Thursday, you have 15 links? That's 7,500. 20 links on Friday, that's 10,000. 64 links on Saturday, that's 32,000. 100 links on Sunday, that's 50,000. Meaning, in 1 week, pwede kang kumita ng 114,500. And that's really a huge business opportunity considering that you're just starting the Sante International business. And again, let me just remind you, you can earn up to the infinite level. In Tagalog, hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Now, let's talk about the second way to earn. Let's talk about what will happen if these people in your organization will continuously buy the products of the company. The next way to earn is what we called as the builder's bonus. Meaning, if people that you referred in the organization will continuously buy products, meron po kayong kikitaing percentage sa purchases nila. When you purchase the Pure Barley Pack, you are considered as a distributor of the company. And as a distributor, you can earn up to the 5th level. Ngayon, habang tumatagal ka sa organization at dumadami ang nare-refer mong distributor, if you already have between 3 to 5 distributors under your group that you directly referred, you will now be upgraded as a dealer. And on the builder's bonus, you can now earn up to the 6th level. If you already have between 6 to 9 direct referrals, you are now an associate director and you can now earn up to the 7th level. And if you already have between 10 to 12 directly sponsored distributors, you are now considered as a director and you can now earn up to the 8th level. If you already have between 13 to 15 direct referrals, you are now considered as a senior director and you can now earn up to the 9th level. And if you already have 16 direct referrals and up, you are now considered as an executive director and you can now earn up to the 10th level. Now, of course, in the builder's bonus, you have a next goal. Your next goal is to invite other people and develop them to become executive directors. And this is what will happen if you can help your team develop other executive directors in their organization. If you are already an executive director and you've developed 3 EDs in your organization, you are now considered as a gold ED. Pag na meron na naman po kayong 5 executive directors in your group, you are now considered as a platinum ED. At pag meron ka ng 7 direct EDs in your group, you are now considered as a diamond ED. And if you are a gold, platinum, and diamond, you can now earn from the executive bonus, meaning as a gold ED, you'll be given an additional 4% up to infinity. If you're a platinum ED, an additional 7% up to infinity. And if you are a diamond ED, you'll be given an additional 10% up to infinity. And this is very exciting because just the same with the infinity bonus, with the executive bonus, you can earn up to the infinite level. Now, for you to appreciate the builder's bonus, let me just give you a simulation. A very simple computation on how the builder's bonus will affect your organization. Assuming nag-build ka, not only in the Philippines, but let's say all over the world. This is the question. Do you think it's possible for you to invite 5 people in the organization? Yes, just 5 people. And help those 5 get another 5. Remember, in the builder's bonus, we call your first 5 as your first level. Pag yung 5 mo naka-invite ng tig-5, we will call them your second level. And let's say na perfect po natin 5 by 5 up to the 10th level, meaning invited 5, you help the 5, get another 5, and so on and so forth. Once na makumpleto po natin yung 10 levels, and let's assume that everyone is just purchasing 1 box of Pure Barley NZ per month, the potential income is 478 million. And that's a per month income. Now, I agree with you kung sasabihin yung overwhelming, that's 478 million. Now, let me just present to you a very, very conservative scenario. Let's forget about the 10 levels. Let's just talk about your first 5 levels. Once na makumpleto mo yung first 5 levels at 5 by 5, meaning you invite the 5 and you help the 5 get another 5 up to the 5th level. Ano kayang pwede mangyari if everyone will just be purchasing 1 box of Pure Barley NZ per month? If that event will happen, the potential income is still 79,200 pesos per month. Ang tanong lang naman dyan is simple, mga kapatid. Malaki ba ang maitutulong sa inyo ng 79,000 per month? And I do believe na napaka-conservative po niyan. Because 5 lang ang invite nyo. At 5 rin din ang invite nila. And everyone is just purchasing 1 box. What more, if you can invite more than 5, and if people under you will be purchasing not only 1 box, but several boxes of all of our products in Sante International.